How to fix GCash device developer options detected. So when you go ahead and try opening GCash, it's pretty much gonna say there's developer options that is on, and it's pretty much gonna log you out or just immediately quit you. But you can fix this by turning off developer options. You can do this in the settings. And for some reason, if your developer options is on, uh, just do that. So just scroll down over here to the additional settings. It's usually found in the very bottom. But once you press on that, you should be able to see that when you scroll down even more, you can see a new option, which is developer options. So just go ahead and press on that um, and just turn off your developer options. So if you go ahead and try opening Gcash again, it should open up much easier as so there's no longer the error and whatnot. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.